Hello, my wonderful subscriber, my friends, and my awesome fans. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, how are you all? Hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. So, friends, this is your host Asad Shah, and today I'm gonna show you some of the best and the latest designs of elegant party wear bodycon dresses for women. My dear friends, these dresses designs and colors are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. These dresses designs are picked very carefully with a vision that every article suits you in every way possible, in every occasion. So my dear friends, I just want to request you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. Or if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends and my awesome subscribers, in this video you will see the wide range of dress designs for a special occasion. Make your memories more special with one of our dress designs. It will add some more beauty and gorgeous look to your personality. Friends, to see all your favorite designs, watch the video till the end. My dear friends, you have found the perfect partner of your dreams. Now it's time to find the perfect dress. You have come to this page in search for something, and we want to make sure you find it. That's why we have new arrivals every day. We want to make sure you find those ever so specific outfits like prom dresses, lace sundresses, ball gowns, party dresses, bodycon dresses, cocktail dresses, the list goes on. So friends and fans, don't ever feel shy to comment. We will always try to answer any of your query as soon as possible. Watch this video completely, enjoy it, share it with your friends and families. And friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Fashion Addiction. And it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. And don't forget to comment your suggestion in comment section. I will wait for your kind comment. So friends and viewers, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. So friends and viewers, take care of yourself, remember me in your prayers, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Fashion Addiction. Love you all guys.